Laba Moment here. Hello and welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, karibu sana, welcome. In this video, I will show you how to create an Instagram reel video which you can use to push your YouTube content to on your Instagram page. And in case you're new here, Canva is a powerful graphic design tool which allows you to design anything. And this is what you're going to be using to design the Instagram reel video. We are still on YouTube tips, a playlist. So in case you've not watched other videos that I've been creating for YouTubers, you can click on the iCard at the top there for YouTube playlist, and leave me a comment down below on what you think about these YouTube tips that I've been giving for the past couple of months. Again, if you're not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, and if you like the video and other content that I've been sharing, don't forget to give me a like on this video. So let's dive in. So you go to your browser and open canva.com, and at the top here we have a search bar, and on this search bar you can type for whatever that you're looking for or you're looking to design, and Canva will automatically suggest for you templates that you could probably use that have the right presets for you to be able to easily upload to wherever you want to upload to. So for example, if you want to create an Instagram reel video, so it will automatically suggest for you all these options. Do you want to create an Instagram reels video? Do you want to create an Instagram reels video background, or is it the video end frame? So for now we want to create an Instagram reels video, so let's click on that. And it is good practice to push your content yourself on all your socials to be able to increase the chances of your videos being seen by more people other than those who are only on YouTube. As you are aware, Instagram has a large following because the videos are short and people can watch them on the go quickly, as opposed to YouTube videos. So for you to drive traffic to your YouTube channel, it is important to have an Instagram account where you can be able to push short videos or short versions of your longer YouTube videos for people to engage with and encourage them to log into your YouTube channel and watch more. So let's scroll and search. So with Canva, you have two options to design. So you can start with a blank page or a blank Instagram Reels video, or you can opt to select a template that is in line with your liking or with your brand colors, and then you can edit it further. I like using templates because they are quick to edit and quick to customize, as opposed to, and then also if you're not in the right mind of creating or you do not consider yourself creative, you could always use these options, these templates, which are very easy to edit and just download and upload wherever you want to upload. This one looks something like a traveler would use. So we're gonna create an Instagram reel for African Traveler. If you've not followed him on his channel, check him out. He creates some really nice content on travel and on Africa and infrastructure and so much more. Let's begin to edit this template. So we can look for a video that is in line with the kind of content that he creates, that is travel. So let's search through for that. So you just select a video. So I've selected a beach, and then you drag and drop it. We can add text. So let's just preview to see. So let's keep editing the second page. This is how the second page looks like. So we can look for again for another video. Let's drag and drop this one. Let's preview it. Again, if you feel like that video is taking forever, you can go ahead and trim it. At the top here, there's this, you can see these scissors. So when you click on that, you can be able to trim your video to your liking. So probably we can start there and end up to 2 seconds. Then you click on done. And then for the next video, again, we trim it to 2 seconds. Let's preview it and see. I like what I see. Then we can change the third page. So it has 3 video elements. If you want it to have 1, you can opt to do so. So this is where maybe he would add sections of his new video. So we can drag a video there. Give it a name. Let's say Runda Estate, Nairobi, Kenya. So let's preview again. Yeah, and that's it. So that's how you create an Instagram reel, which you can again use to push your content more to all fans on Instagram. And you can be able to, with that, you can be able to drive traffic back to your YouTube channel. Once you're done, at the top here, click on the download, and then you're going to be able to download an MP4 version of your video, which again, you can be able to upload on your Instagram reel. I hope that you've learned something. And in case you like this content, please don't forget to hit that like button. And in case you've not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to give me a comment down below on what you think about these YouTube tips that I've been giving for the past couple of months. Bye bye.